Hello, guys. Welcome back to day 15. And I'm doing good. Hope you are doing well. And let's start our day. And today I want to share one thing with you. I have like on pain on my last teeth, like the wisdom teeth, the which we call the third molar. So it's hurted me a lot. So I went to a dentist, and dentist suggested me to like I have to remove this teeth. I don't know what we call daat nikalne ko, should remove or some other word. And if you have proper word, so please let me know on the comment section. So yeah, I went there and on a sorry. So uh, he took my molar teeth away, or like I removed my molar teeth, and this is day one. And uh, like uh, right now it's 4:50. So I like it's removed on 2 o'clock, so it's almost 2 to 3 hours. And now the what we call that सुन्न करने के लिए क्या लगाते हैं हम लोग. I just forget that word or forget that injection name. Influenza or sorry. Okay, forget it. So now I think that injection. See, like I'm struggling to find the correct word. Uh, Let me pause. So yeah, guys. Like I just chat GPT all the process. So it suggests like it's a it this removal process called extractions. Yeah. So this is the exact word. Yeah. So first, although like doctor don't took X-ray, because he just checked and know like this moral monal, what we call that, mole molar. Yeah. So this third molar should be removed or should be extract. So now like I have, like in front of me I have a few pointer. Like first one is examination and x-ray. Okay, that I have checked. Then anesthesia, that injection name anesthesia. So yeah, they took me to anesthesia. The one is the outside of the gums and the inner side of the gum. And then losing the teeth. Yeah, so exactly. So then after that, please take this plier and losing my teeth, and that removal. And after that he wrote some medicines like painkiller and some antibiotic, and the and some other medicine. I think total the four medicine, and one medicine was SOS means like the medicine which we can use for a very emergency. Suppose in midnight, if I like if I will feel like more pain. So yeah, this is the way. But yeah, you can see like I forget the word, but I found it on the chat GPT. So guys, I'm telling you, chat GPT should be your friend now, because it's a very fantastic tool to search. Just forget about Google it. Now it's a new trend. We are in 2025, so this chat GPT free version also is very awesome. I showed you in one video like where I talk to every like where I'm talking to ChatGPT on a regular basis on every day. So it's give you more fluent. And if you ask for your result, if you, for your like how you're doing, so it suggests at the same time. I think you guys observe like my eye rotation. So when I see myself, so it's not look that good, but when I see to Mike, so I think it's a more conversational way. So that I need to learn to like how we can more communicate with you. And I know like I switching quickly in between topics. This is this is also a learning phase for me, so I have to stick on the one topic when I started something. So yeah, that's why I'm learning. So that's why that's why I'm here. I'm just here for learning and sharing my knowledge and gaining as well as. So yeah, I think that's it for today, and bye bye. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय, सी यू, बी देयर।